Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about a topic that gets asked about quite frequently in SharePoint, and that is sharing and emailing around documents and document links. So if you're coming from a non-SharePoint environment, you're probably used to just firing up Outlook and picking a document from your local PC, attaching it to that email and sending it off to the person. And while this certainly accomplishes the job, I think we've all felt the pain of trying to manage that document as emails go back and forth and changes are made. How do we maintain the right version of the document? What happens if we have other folks in the organization who are working with that document? This approach can create a number of problems. Luckily, SharePoint has some tools to help us deal with all that. The first question you want to ask yourself is, this person that I'm sharing the document with, is this someone in my organization, or is this someone from another organization who's on Office 365 who I might be able to share this document with or share a link with them? If this is someone who you just cannot bring into Office 365, they're not on it, they don't have any interest, or for security reasons it just doesn't make sense to give anyone like that access to your site, well, then you can always do things the old school way. And you can select any document and choose to download this document and then to send that person a copy. Just remember that all of the work for keeping that document synced up and for keeping the right version managed in the library, that's all going to fall on you to do manually. So wherever possible, what you want to try and do instead is use this share option. And if I choose to share this document, I can put in from my address book the names of the people I want to share it with. I can also choose who am I sharing it with? Do I want to share with anyone who has access? Just with specific people? Do I want to allow others to edit this document? Or do I want them only to be able to review it? Open in review mode only. Do I maybe want to block the download of this document so people can view it but they can't download it? Well, I can simply share the link using, again, this share option. And so this is going to be the preferable way to do it. Share things by the link. And this is great because then anybody who gets that link is then going to be able to come in, work with this document. If they make changes, those changes will be saved as new versions. If they're just reading the document, well, then you have the confidence that that person's always going to be reading the latest and greatest approved version. I can also just pass off a link to this document. So maybe I just want to copy a link to it because I'm having an instant message session with someone and I just want to send them over the link in chat. I can do that as well. So in closing, you can always go download a document and attach it to an email like you're used to. But wherever possible, to reduce all of the confusion and problems and possibilities for error in keeping content synced up, you want to try and use this share option.